Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am with another quick tutorial. How to download and install Epic Games Launcher. Now, let's start by opening the Google Chrome browser. Enter the Epic Games Launcher in the URL search box. Go to the first search result. Now, click on the Download Epic Games Launcher. Then, click the Save button. After the complete download, open the setup file. Then, click on the Install button. After that, it will launch the Epic Games Launcher and verify some updates. Now, sign in into your account from any of them. Once you sign in, it will directly move towards the home page of Epic Games Launcher. Now, your Epic Games Launcher is ready to use.